In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn on or off phone app notifications alert banners on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and first off we need to head over to settings. On settings, scroll down until you find the phone and then get into notifications. That's where we can control notification settings for the phone application. In here we can easily find banners, and all we have to do in order to turn them off is just uncheck mark banners. Also in here we can change sound for phone calls, we can turn on and off badges here, and down below we can customize showing previews and notification grouping. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.